DuraBump, the world's most advanced traffic calming solution with the community and environment at heart. DuraBump is the sole manufacturer and supplier of this unique urethane dome. Any other product is simply not a DuraBump. DuraBump is widely implemented by a growing number of municipalities on Grade 5 roads. It is also successfully implemented by the private sector at shopping centers, business and industrial parks, inside warehouses and at private residential estates. Over years, we have developed an elegant minimalist design that is visible and safe and provides the most pleasant driver and passenger experience. We paid special attention to all types of vehicles, from a bicycle to an ambulance, from a school bus to a delivery vehicle transporting fragile cargo. Due to the unique recyclable urethane compound, the DuraBump is durable to withstand the strain of traffic and the harshness of the elements. It will not scrape nor cause metal damage to vehicles and requires virtually no maintenance, unlike expensive tar humps. Installing a traditional tar hump is a time, resource and skills-intensive project. It involves the traffic department to divert traffic, specialized equipment to provide hot tar on site, and engineering for design and stormwater considerations. Then follows the labor-intensive construction process. In contrast, DuraBump requires a fraction of municipal resources. Up to 10 DuraBump sites can be installed per day, without specialized equipment and extensive road closures. A single lane closure is all that is required by a small mobile team. The road is ready to be reopened after 30 minutes of installation. Our design allows for natural water flow and therefore do not require further engineering involvement. The DuraBump can be installed to any road surface, be it tar, cobblestone or paving. It is non-intrusive, without compromising the road surface, as no bolts are used. The boltless design also prevents water damage. Instead, we use an eco-friendly solvent-free epoxy to neatly secure each bump in place. DuraBump reduces the average speed of road users without interrupting traffic flow and virtually no impact on vehicles, drivers and passengers. Wheel alignment is generally a concern to many. Vehicle suspension will accommodate vertical and horizontal movement of a moving vehicle tire. Movement required by the DuraBump is within suspension safe margins and does therefore not have a negative effect on wheel alignment. The bump's urethane composition also provides a non-slip surface to prevent any further damage due to loss of traction. DuraBump believes in the uplifting of the community. Through our skills development and job creation initiative, we provide opportunity for women and the youth to become part of the DuraBump installation network under technical supervision for quality assurance. DuraBump cares for the environment and the community, the driver of the modern vehicle, the passenger, the owner of transported goods, and the family of every pedestrian. Choose DuraBump. Visit durabump.com.